Hello, I'm Stewart Heath, CEO of Harvard Grace Corporation, and I want to talk today in our tax segment for the week about yet another provision of the COVID relief plan that was passed just at the end of the year. This one's particularly important to employers, especially employers who had elected to defer the payment of some of the withheld taxes and the repayment plan of those. So this is kind of a big deal. So if you may recall, or maybe you didn't recall at all, because this provision did not get a lot of attention, Notice 2020-65 gave employers the option to defer certain employees' Social Security taxes from September the 1st through December the 31st. This applied to employees less than $4,000 paid every 2 weeks. So what this meant was for the last 4 months of 2020, you were able to collect and then defer, otherwise use the government's money for a period of time before you had to remit that on. Usually you have to pay withheld payroll taxes immediately or at least once a month. It's a good idea not to use the government's money as a general rule. However, this provision gave penalty-free availability for you to defer the payment of withheld taxes. Now, the original what's new about this is that originally when that notice came out, you were to pay those withheld taxes beginning January 1st through April the 31st of 2021. So you withhold it in the last 4 months of the year, then you're going to pay it back to the government in the first 4 months of the year, ratably over those 4 months. And of course, that's in addition to the regular payroll things that you've got going on during the first 4 months of the year. Well, here's the new benefit. They have now changed the repayment period, the penalty fee repayment period, to all of 2021. So instead of having to repay those deferred taxes of 4 months of last year over the first 4 months of 2021, you get all 12 months of 2021 to repay that. So it's kind of a great benefit if COVID has times tough. And you are managing cash as best you can. Now you have a full 12 months to pay 4 months worth of deferred taxes. So a little bit complicated, a little bit technical, but if you're a small business employer, I think you'll immediately pick up on this potential benefit. If we can help you anyway, give us a shout. Thanks.